In this video, we will do example number 4 on page number 7. This is chapter 1, number systems. So the question is locate root 3 on the number line. So to do this, first very important step, this step is very important. We have to understand that root 3 can be written as square root of 2 plus 1. Now this 2 can be further written as root 2 whole square plus 1 whole square. Now this will give us a hint that we need one right angle triangle in such a way that its sides are square root of 2 and 1. So by Pythagoras theorem, this AB will become square root of 3. See, this will be one side of the triangle, this is the another side of this triangle. You can see this square root of 2 and square root of 1. So I can also show you here AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So this means BC is square root of 2 whole square and AC is 1 whole square. This gives 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. That means AB square is equal to 3. This further gives us that AB is equal to square root of 3. Now we know that this right angle triangle has one side hypotenuse as square root of 3. Now this will help us in making the root 3 on the number line. So the first step is, now we move on to the number line. Make a line, mark a point O on this. Mark a point O on this. Now we draw this right angle triangle on the number line first, and sorry, not this one. We'll make square root of 2 on the number line first. We'll make square root of 2 on the number line first. We'll follow the same steps as we followed in example number 3, exactly same. So let's start. We mark another point which is at a distance of 1 unit here. So this is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. We mark another point here which is again at a distance of 1 unit. We join them. So we join them. So this is also 1 unit. Okay. This is also 1 unit. Now we join these two. This gives us square root of 2. This we have already done. Now we bring our compass. Okay. Now we move the compass. Remove the compass. The point which we get here, this point is, so this distance from here till here, this is square root of 2. Now we have square root of 2 with us on the number line. Now we draw this line on the number line, 1 unit. So what we'll do, we'll mark a point here and join a line segment. We get square root of 1. Now join this point and this point, you get square root of 2. Okay, so this is square root of 3 now. Okay, so we bring the compass back again and we follow the similar steps as we did for square root of 2. Okay, now we move the compass, remove the compass. The point which we get now, this point. So this, let us mark this point as B. Okay, now join O to B, this OB here becomes square root of 3. So the question is over now. Have you understood? Now when we do the exercise, we will have few more questions which will give you a very fair idea how to use this step to do construction on the number line. Clear? If you have still any queries, write in the comment section. I will explain you. Okay?